Magpupulungan kami ng ating birthday girl ngayon. Ayan. Music yan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mas malakas ang mas mabilis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Akin, sabay mo ko na kanta 1, 2, 3, tapos blow ang ating birthday girl. Ready, 1, 2, 3, blow! At syempre, hindi mo kompleto ang birthday ko ni siya na wala po ang birthday wishes. At syempre, welcome message na rin po ni Mami Cassie.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for everyone who took their time coming here. I know that you have some works, errands, and studies, especially to my friends, but still you managed to have your time and come all the way here. And welcome, and I hope you enjoy.
Okay, thank you so much, Mami. Nasaan po ang ating birthday girl? Kasama si Mama, Mami. Siguro na sa picture mo na kayo. Dahil meron po hinanda. Non-stopper ang ating special guest na si JJ ngayon. Pwede kayo magpa-picture na. Baby JJ from Coco Melon. Ayan. At syempre, dahil nalong siya pa ang birthday girl, hindi siya makapaniwala na si JJ sa Coco Melon ay naging totoo sa remote buhay. Ayan. Pero happy birthday girl. Okay, picture po na Mami and birthday girl. Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! Ay, di ba more? Ay, kasali si ate. Ay, mga kanil ate. Birthday girl! Wait lang, birthday girl. Okay, sumama tayo, Mami.
JP, go! JP, go!
All through the town, the signals on the bus
And this color color?
Blue. Very good naman natin.
Alright! Sino gusto ng bird?
Bird.
Okay, bird! Okay, music! Go! Okay! Hey! Up! And! 1, 2, 3, and up! Up! Ah! Bird!
Bird. Wow! Palakpak naman. O, di
1, 2, 3, and up! Okay! You want more?
Tanaw po si baby, oh. Tanaw po baby Sky. Ay, baby Sky.
Okay! Sige pa?
Tanaw
You
po siya.
more. Yes.
Alright! Up and go! Go!
Blue. Oh.
Okay, let's go on!
Black.
And
Gray.
up! Kuya, may nagwarka eh. Sir, count 1, 2, 3, mawawala to. 1, 2. Sabay-sabay, go!